What's up YouTube, it's the Gizmo Pro here. Let's explore the latest offering from Samsung, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra. As the top tier model in the Galaxy Book4 lineup, it boasts various configurations to cater to different needs, including a 360-degree model and a Pro version. Powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, these laptops promise top-notch performance. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the bell notification icon to get all my latest videos. Today, I'm reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra, and I've been thoroughly testing it against some tough competitors like the MacBook Pro and the Dell XPS 16. This device boasts some intriguing features, including the Meteor Lake processor and a discrete GPU from NVIDIA, promising improved efficiency and performance. One notable upgrade is the addition of touch support to its stunning 3K dynamic AMOLED 2X display, giving users more interactive capabilities. However, the key questions remain. Can the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra compete with the MacBook Pro? And is it time for Apple to be concerned about its dominance? Before diving into the details, let's talk pricing. There are two variants available. One priced at $2399.99 and the other at $2999.99 with a $600 price difference. Ouch. You can opt for the $2399.99 version equipped with an Intel Core Ultra i7 155H processor, 16 GB of RAM, and a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, or the Intel Core Ultra i9 185H variant with a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU and 32 GB of RAM for $2999.99. Let's talk about the design. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra emanates sophistication with its clean lines and minimalistic design ethos. Its aluminum chassis not only looks sleek, but also offers a sturdy and durable build quality. Samsung has meticulously attended to the finer details, such as precision-cut edges and seamless component integration, resulting in a laptop that exudes premium craftsmanship and refinement. The packaging is sleek, and inside we find the Galaxy Book4 Ultra in Moonstone Gray. It feels solid, yet lightweight, with a one-finger opening mechanism. The unit alone weighs 1.82 kilograms, making it relatively portable for a 16-inch laptop. How about ports? Well, it offers an HDMI 2.1 port, two USB Type-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, a microSD card reader, a USB Type-A port, and a 3.5mm combo jack, providing a good selection for various connectivity needs. However, I would have preferred a full-size SD card reader instead of the micro SD slot. Moving on to the keyboard and touchpad, the shallow keyboard offers decent tactility, although it may not be everyone's favorite. The addition of a numeric keypad is useful, but it does affect the touchpad's positioning, taking some time to get used to. Unfortunately, the touchpad lacks haptic feedback, which is a missed opportunity at this price point. I wasn't a big fan of it. Now for the display. The display steals the spotlight, featuring a vibrant touchscreen 16-inch 3K dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 and a variable refresh rate of up to 120 Hz on both variants. Its OLED technology delivers deep blacks and vibrant colors, resulting in stunning contrast ratios and an immersive viewing experience. It is ideal for editing high-resolution content and enjoying multimedia. Thanks to the implementation of anti-glare Corning Gorilla Glass DX, it's not as reflective as other glossy panels, and in this regard, Samsung is on par with Apple's MacBooks. As long as you avoid reflections from light sources, you can use the device outdoors. Its touch-enabled functionality and HDR support provide an immersive viewing experience, although it falls short slightly in brightness compared to competitors like the MacBook Pro. I'll be doing a proper comparison between those two in another video very soon, so stay tuned for that one. Now for performance. Internally, accessing the components is straightforward, allowing for easy upgrades if needed. The laptop comes with 16 gigabytes up to 32 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM depending upon which variant you choose, which is soldered onto the motherboard, offering faster performance at 7,466 MHz. Included storage of 512 gigabytes for the Ultra 7 version or 1 terabyte for the Ultra 9 version comes courtesy of a solid-state drive. The inclusion of a vapor chamber cooling system enhances thermal management, although some thermal throttling was detected under heavy load. The battery life has seen a significant improvement compared to its predecessor as a result, thanks to the efficient Meteor Lake chipset. In terms of performance, while it may not match the MacBook Pro CPU capabilities, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra is a powerhouse for Windows users. It shows significant improvements in GPU performance thanks to the RTX 4050. Gaming performance is respectable, although it's not designed as a dedicated gaming laptop. When equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU, however, this combination delivers unparalleled performance for demanding tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. In my performance tests, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra proved its power, handling tasks like video editing and gaming with ease. The dynamic AMOLED display with its high refresh rate and anti-glare technology adds to the immersive experience. When it comes to the 1080p webcam, there are no changes and the quality remains average, I'm afraid. It lacks both a mechanical shutter as well as an IR module for face recognition. Thanks to the Meteor Lake chipset's new NPU, background blur, eye contact, and head tracking for the webcam is supported directly from the operating system, regardless of the app being used. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra also has 4 speakers. Although the quality is good, it's unable to keep pace with the best 16-inch laptops available. Samsung's ecosystem shines through its software offerings, including a video editor, gallery, notes app, and more. The inclusion of features like multi-control, which allows seamless interaction with multiple devices, enhances the overall user experience. Now let's talk about battery life. Battery life is crucial for any laptop, and both contenders excel in this regard. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra offers up to 15 hours of battery life, thanks to its efficient hardware and intelligent power management, making it an excellent choice for users on the go. The 76 watt-hour battery can be charged through USB-C to 55% in just 30 minutes, according to Samsung's claims. So what's the verdict? Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra offers a compelling package with its sleek design, impressive display, and improved battery life. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra impresses on most fronts, combining power, versatility, and style. Whether you're a creative professional, a gamer, or a multitasker, this flagship laptop from Samsung has something to offer. However, it falls short in some areas, such as the price, the absence of a haptic touchpad, and Wi-Fi 7 support. Despite these drawbacks, however, it remains a solid option for users looking for a powerful and versatile laptop. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra excels for Windows users, content creators, and those who prioritize raw power and an OLED display. So, does it outshine the MacBook Pro? In most aspects, no. While it excels in certain areas such as GPU performance and battery life, there are too many missed opportunities to consider it a superior device. Nevertheless, it's still a commendable laptop worth considering, especially for those invested in the Samsung ecosystem. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, thanks for continuing to support my channel, and stay tuned for our in-depth hands-on comparisons. See you next time. Peace.